By the end of the video, we'll know about protein powder. For weight loss at home, protein powder is a versatile and effective tool for supporting weight loss goals, especially when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise routine. While often associated with muscle building, protein powder can also aid in weight loss by promoting satiety, preserving lean muscle mass, and boosting metabolism. Here's how protein powder can be utilized for weight loss at home. Second lesson: maximize gains with Dietary ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue our video's main topic. 1. Appetite control. Protein is known for its ability to increase feelings of fullness and reduce appetite, which can be beneficial for controlling calorie intake and promoting weight loss. Consuming protein powder as part of a meal or snack can help curb cravings and prevent overeating, ultimately leading to a reduced overall calorie intake. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. 2. Muscle preservation. When following a calorie-restricted diet for weight loss, there is a risk of losing lean muscle mass along with fat. Protein powder can help preserve muscle mass during weight loss by providing the essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and maintenance. This is crucial for maintaining metabolic rate and overall body composition. 3. Metabolic boost. Protein has a higher thermic effect compared to carbohydrates and fats, meaning it requires more energy to digest and metabolize. This can lead to a temporary increase in metabolic rate, known as the thermic effect of food, TEF. By including protein powder in your diet, you may slightly boost your metabolism and increase calorie expenditure, supporting weight loss efforts. 4. Meal replacement. Protein powder can be used as a convenient meal replacement option for those seeking to reduce calorie intake and promote weight loss. Protein shakes or smoothies made with protein powder, combined with fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, can serve as satisfying and nutritious meal alternatives, helping to reduce overall calorie. In summary, protein powder can be a valuable ally in your weight loss journey when used as part of a balanced diet and active lifestyle. By promoting satiety, preserving lean muscle mass, and supporting metabolic function, protein powder can help you achieve your weight loss goals more effectively and sustainably. However, it's essential to remember that protein powder is not a magic solution and should be used in conjunction with other healthy habits for long-term success. As always, consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian is recommended before making any significant changes to your diet or exercise routine.